Desi conversation. This video is about making a decision of having a child. There is a growing concern that people have about whether having a child may or may not be the best decision for them. In my case, we waited 6 years before deciding to have a child. Apart from other reasons, the one reason that resonated the most with me was that we didn't want the inconvenience of having someone to look after. We liked our free time, our vacations. We liked to buy expensive things for ourselves, and we liked to sleep long hours on the weekends. We knew all this would change once we decided to have a baby. In addition to this, we wanted to have a certain amount of savings and a good amount of money before we had a baby. We made a plan and we stuck to it. However, the plan did not work. After 6 years, things at my workplace changed, and our circumstances gave my wife and I some free time where we decided to go on vacation. And while we were on vacation, we introspected and we talked a bit, and we decided that we should welcome the thought of a challenge and allow ourselves to be discomforted a little. So we assumed that having a baby would be the ethical and profound thing to do. Let's look at some of the reasons why I think people should have a child. Philosophically, it is the primary biological purpose of your existence. Unless you are one of those people who enable society to procreate and prosper while you contribute to its progress. For example, if you are extraordinarily good at what you do, if you are an inventor or a disruptor or an overachiever. People like these are usually not inclined to have children on account of their commitment to their profession and their way of life. Another reason is having a child challenges you in ways that you have never been challenged before. This enables you to grow as a human being. Also, enabling new life and nourishing it is one of the most difficult things that you'll ever do. This broadens your perspective and changes who you are. The next reason is that you need to set higher standards for yourself. In a childless life, you are inevitably inclined to live the man-child fantasy. The fact is that you go through various stages in life which are enabled by your physiology, and once you pass that stage, your life becomes stagnant and you can say in a way meaningless. Hence the requirement to grow, develop and allow yourself a full life. Now the next thing we'll talk about is a concern that a lot of people have, which is coping with childcare. People are concerned about being able to cope with raising a baby, and this concern is well warranted. It is extremely labor intensive and mentally exhausting to raise a child. However, when you do have a child, there are physiological changes that incentivize the work that is involved in nourishing, protecting, and enabling the child to grow. For example, in your brain, gray matter concentration increases. The regions that control empathy, anxiety, social interaction, protectiveness, love, and so forth, they become much more active. Furthermore, activity in the amygdala rises, which causes parents to be hypersensitive to the needs of their babies. There is also a sharp increase in the production of oxytocin, which is also known as the love hormone. These physiological reward mechanisms create positive feedback loops, which reinforce the parent behavior. All this simply means that your body and brain help you deal with all the hard work that is involved with taking care of your baby. Of course, this applies to both men and women. Now, there will be times when handling your baby becomes a problem, and it may result in you having a mental breakdown. In this case, you should definitely seek help. Now, in most cases, there is no perfect time to have a baby, unless you plan for it and all your plans work out flawlessly. For example, there's always a new opportunity, it's not the best time financially, and some of us work in exhaustive conditions and so forth. You also need to keep in mind that there is a limit where you may decide that having a baby is irresponsible and dangerous. For example, when you have no money, or you feel like when having a child may save your broken marriage. In these cases, having a child could be a disaster. I hope this video clarifies various questions people have before making a decision to have a baby. This is where I will end my video. Thank you for watching the KC Conversation and have a good day.